And today we are looking at the CheerFun LCD writing tablet. When I first saw this and the LCD, I was like, well, I doubt it's LCD. It's probably one of those little magnet things or whatever. But this is what you get. It's a nice pink and white unicorn with a heart on his cheek, which it has a hidden feature. On the back, you have your on-off switch right here, and you have your pen storage. So you pop your pen out, you can write on it. And then when you want to erase, you hit the magic heart. And it magically, instantly disappears, which kind of caught me off guard. I wasn't expecting it to actually be an LCD screen. And this is great if you want to do math with your little ones for practice, or they can practice their writing. Or you can just make signs like so. Very cool, very fun little tablet. I hope this helps, and thanks for watching.